This summer, we have not seen those toxic algae blooms that we certainly saw last year, though environmentalists are still keeping a very close watch on our waterways. Future scientists are learning what they can do about the environment. And now it's Tanya Rogers with what a future scientist has discovered.
What started out as a semester-long project in his biology class
You just need to focus on the sample.
has turned into a real passion for 17-year-old Robbie Link.
I picked algae because after I did a little bit more investigation, I realized how big of an issue it really is and how much focus needs to be placed on it.
He's interning at BioTools, a Jupiter-based company. He has access to a lab and its scientists.
What we tried to do was to focus on the methods, on how our technology will be applied to their projects.
We went up to the St. Lucie estuary and we began taking water samples from local wells through the program to then take here so that we could begin running tests on them.
Once back in the lab, he found
It's pretty gross. It's like yellow brown water. There's a lot of stuff going on in it.
now he's putting his findings in a report.
A lot of different contaminants like nitrates, phosphorus, things of that nature. But now with more advanced machinery, we're trying to determine whether or not there's sucralose and sugars that would point to whether or not septic tanks and fecal matter is actually infiltrating into the wells.
He will be presenting his report at a water resource conference in Oregon.
As a scientist, I appreciate all my interns. They come with fresh eyes, new questions, and sometimes that makes you question yourself and the methods you're using.
A future scientist hoping to come up with solutions to toxic algae. Tanya Rogers for the Now, South Florida.
And one day, Robbie hopes to present his report to state leaders.